Miss Rowland, it is your claim that you made a series of loans to the defendant who was a friend of yours.
Yes.
Ms. Hamilton, while she acknowledges that you gave her money and extended credit on her behalf, says that you gave it to her because you were friends, you've helped each other out in the past, and there was never any discussion of her paying you back. Is that your defense?
We've been friends for 20 years. And
I want to know if that's your defense.
Yes.
Well, let's talk about the first loan, which you say was for some necessaries and car parts. When did that take place?
In Walmart between February and a couple other transactions up until May.
You mean you used your credit card?
Yes, I used my Walmart credit card.
Were you shopping together?
Yes, we were.
And you don't have a credit card?
No, ma'am.
Well, tell me about the discussion.
It was me and her and my daughter, and we all went shopping, and she asked if she could get a few things because she had lost some weight and she needed some stuff for the house. And I said, sure, but you're going to have to pay me back. And she said, I would pay you back with my paychecks and with taxes.
That's a lie.
Do you have a list of those items that she purchased at Walmart?
Yes, I do.
I'd like
And
to
I have
see
the
them.
receipts.
Your Honor, I've never seen those receipts.
I'm going to show them to you.
And here's a duplicate copy that's clear.
This is very hard to figure out.
Your Honor, this all started because I wouldn't co-sign for a loan for her to have a house.
Just a minute. I can't figure this out, and neither can she. What's next?
The bill for the car part.
Tell me about the car parts.
Her husband was upset and was going through some things, so she asked if she can borrow the money for $200.
I don't want to hear from you until I say to you, now I'll hear your side of the story. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You're the one who got the benefit of this, whatever it was, whether it was a gift or not. You're the one who got the benefit of it. She was the one who extended the money. So believe me, you're not the one who should be offended.
Okay.
You wore the clothes, you wore the shoes, you used the underwear, you used the pants, you used all of those things, none of which you paid for, according to you. Put your hand down. So there's no reason for you to cop an attitude, because whether she loaned you her credit or whether she allowed you to use her credit as a gift, she was being a good person, not a bad person, right?
Correct.
Right. Now, let's get back to the parts.
We had went to Walmart. After we left Walmart, we were driving by the parts store that her husband likes to go to, and she said, he would really like this part. Can I borrow the money to get the part? I asked how much it was. She said, I think it's about $245. I said, okay, but you're going to have to pay me back. She said, I'll pay you back in payments with my paycheck.
That's not true.
Show me the receipt. Let's talk about the car part.
What happened was, she's always been at my house. She's always at my house.
I just want to know about the car part.
We were talking about the car part at my house the day before. Well, the next day we were out in the area. And she goes, well, maybe I'll just go buy a car part. And she went and bought it. When we got home, she was more excited than me. She put it in his garage by his car and said, here's the early Christmas gift for you. Have fun with it.
Where is he?
At home.
Why?
Because he doesn't want to be here.
He doesn't want to be here.
He doesn't want to be embarrassed by her.
Or me.
No, by her.
But
It's
then
her.
he should have bought his own car part.
It's her. Because it's petty.
Just a second. It's not petty. It's money. You don't work, right? Right?
No, I'm a student.
You're a student. You have 4 children. You get money from the government for those children, correct? That's how you support yourself, right? And your husband works?
No, my husband's retired.
Does he get a pension?
Yes.
Great. And you?
I work part-time.
Well, that's great. Then buy your own car part. I pay for her and her children. Why should I also pay for your car part? How much was the vet?
$470.
And did you pay for it?
I ran for my credit, yes.
And were you paid back?
No.
Okay. Well, because she opened her mouth again, she's going to pay for her own vet bill for her own dog. Because I don't want to pay the vet bill for her dog. And since you're supported by the government, I'm not doing it. What else?
The new dog, the new puppy.
Forget it. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you what I resent about you. Forget her. Let me tell you what I resent about you. You get money from the government to take care of your 4 children, some of whom are disabled. That money is not supposed to go to a car part for her husband, clothes, shoes, and boots for her because she lost a couple of pounds, a new pet puppy for her. Not supposed to go there. It's supposed to go for your children. What?
It does go to my children.
No, not if you're spending it on her.
The money that I had saved in my credit union account was money from when I was working at Walmart.
That was 6 years ago.
That was in 2012.
6 years ago.
$715, judgment for the plaintiff. That's all. Out.